Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
MLA barim ka West Shillong uba Mohendro rapsang hanigasngi ulapnya sono yalade bat ka BJP Hadien bu ulami no na ka NPP hakini Khyndiat Bnai baladem ya uba rapsang lapdyang songba shagaseng do president ka BJP Meghalaya Urikman Ji Momin hakjinon lang u general secretary uba one kit bok pochna menteri ka sarkar jila uba sanbor shulai bat ki bai kinoyalam barang ba jong ka seng Hagding sngi ka seng kala rakheru ya kalingkho sngi khlat jong unong seng jong ka BJP u Dr. Shiyama Prasad Mukherjee dak babu sentiu kum ka dak ban kenmau buram yu ni unong seng habakran hagding sngi na kalyang uba sanbor ulapin pau ka jing snokmen ban pdiang snobha yu uba rapsang shaka seng ulong banadu basdang kum unong yalam udan ya ka thong ka ba ubu shakmat kata ban treshtom bat ban penduna ya ka jingkran Ulong ru bakum unang mi khmat ule khon ye election bat ula job hadu khandai sin bat man ke election u job dak basuk bat ukermen bah kan ke election banwan anamdan ki kirtong ki bane khon persha ye u na South Shillong nakalyang uba rapsang habakran hagan sngi ulong bhaba ushim ye kan sin jam bandrung shaga BJP u yeng hapdeng ki rishot ki bate ye kari ha jingalam umintri rang badu kari unarinda mudi kari ka kieu shaprang hapo ka jingalam jung ni unong yalam Ula bendrap ru dak baong ba un treshtom ban kentiu ya seng hagi benta ba pher nak benta ka roi ka pa jong ka ri bat ka jai benrio
Officially Shri Mohendro Rapsang is a primary member of the Hadien
Also to commemorate the 73rd death anniversary of the founder of the Hadien Party, Dr. Sharma Prasad Mukherjee, respected President Urikman Momin, one kid in Porcelain, General Secretary of the BJP, Meghalaya State, our respected President of the Shillong City BJP, Bob Mohendro, all our leaders from the state unit and from the district unit and the mandal. And I am also very happy that today we have elected my former colleague in the assembly, Mohendro Rapsang, former MLA of 18 South, 18 West Shillong, his brother Rishan Rapsang, and we have inducted him in the party. We reflect from today, and I would like also to express my sincere thanks to all the mentors, the supporters, the well-wishers of Mohendro Rapsang who have come today to attend this induction program with all his supporters in presence of our president and all the officers of the BJP. So as I have said earlier, that since my childhood, I used to adopt my policy, walk more, talk less. Only one message I want to share with you here is that my motto and the motto of the BJP is same: service to people is service to God. So if you read, it's my political and social experience. I used to have an ample time to read the holy books inside the flight when I travel outside my state and other part of the world. So I used to read the teaching of the holy books, be it the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Gita, or the Ranchahi, Tripatai, or the Kantangabakui. It teaches us the same thing. It teaches that all living things in this earth, all living things, be it human being, animals, birds, insect, fish, or any living thing in this earth, are being created only by one soul of God. So my friends, I'm to share with you that if you cut the finger of Punjabi or Bihari or Bengali, Assamese, any community, if you compare it with the blood of Basanbor, is it different? It is same. We may belong to various faith and religion, caste, religion, but remember we are created by only one soul of God. So hopefully that this message will go to everybody. If you read the teaching of the Constitution of India, also it teaches that we should love and respect secularism, not communalism. So that is the teaching of the founder, members of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and also the continuous teaching of Honorable Prime Minister Mohendro. Hopefully with the joining of Mohendro with each and every one of you, we work together as a team. The Bible or all the holy books also it teaches that even to your enemy, you should not push him or you should not hate him. Based on my social and political experience, those opponents during my election since 1994, which I have contested, and till today I have won 9 elections in my political and social life. Even to enemy in the next election, last 2023 election, there are about more than 2,000 voters, they did not vote for me. But this time, almost 2,000 they are joining the BJP, they are joining us to vote tonight. And hopefully next election there will be no candidate to contest against me. So all this inspiration are being given by our party central leader and none other than the good works of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So in the remaining part of our life, let us pray for each other. Let me wind up my speech by saying that, remember, service to people is service to God. Kublai, thank you, Mithila Jai.
Solemn tribute to Dr. Shyam Prasad Mukherjee, a visionary nationalist, a fearless patriot, and the founder of our great party. Ideological journey. His life was a testament of courage, conviction, and compromising love for India. Dr. Mukherjee reminded us that national integrity is non-negotiable and that every citizen must enjoy equal rights in every corner of our country. His sacrifice continues to guide the Bharatiya Janata Party as we work to strengthen our democracy and uphold the unity of our nation. On this sacred day of remembrance, it is also my privilege to welcome a respected leader into our family. Sri Mohendro Rapsang, a former MLA, joins BJP today with a commitment to serve the people with renewed purpose and dedication. His experience, his connect with the grassroots, and his willingness to work for Meghalaya's development will greatly our collective mission. We believe that when good people come together with a shared vision, transformation becomes inevitable. With Dr. Mukherjee's idea as our guiding light, and with leader like Sri Rapsang joining our journey, we move forward with great strength, unity, and resolve. Let us rededicate ourselves to the service of our people and to the vision of a strong, harmonious, and prosperous Meghalaya. Jai Hind, Kublai, and Patela.
Honorable Cabinet Minister of State, Basan Borshulai, Wat Kibok, the General Secretary, the District President, the members of the state BJP units, and then the Mandal which are here, and all my well-wishers from TV today to join this grand party. As I take this significant step, I'm honored to join the Bharatiya Janata Party today, the 23rd of June 2026, and stand among the pillars of strong and prosperous India. Under the visionary and dynamic leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, India is progressing with strength, confidence, and global respect. His commitment to nation building, efforts in transforming India into a prosperous and self-reliant country inspired me to dedicate myself to continue public service. The BJP has made it clear that we must listen to the aspiration of the people, and that's the objective I'll take forward. I'm committed to working sincerely for the welfare of the people. I extend my gratitude to the member of this great party for welcoming me into this great family. I will work for the progress of our state, our nation, and I seek the support and the blessing of everyone as I begin this new journey. I'll strive to make our journey together a story of progress, prosperity, a pride for Meghalaya and India. Jai Hind, thank you, Mahila.
Barok ki breu ki khmi ya kalawai babha ki wat ya kajaka bansan kajaka ban kiyo shaprang.
MIT University Meghalaya man kasni kalong ka jing stang bathuma ki jing ikai bapura katkom ka job ka bamta. Ke MIT University kadan bonjait ki course pat ki jing ikai. Kum ka fashion design, filmmaking, communication design, music, BBA, MBA, sports management, nursing, BTech, computer science, BSW, MSW, but QA.
Ha MIT University Meghalaya ki jingtrang jongpi shaka jing job ki urlong, but ki kalalong ka jing shisha.
MIT University Meghalaya Kajingya lenti kabastang syakalaway bacok.